welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Grabox for August month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price for a monthly subscription. The price for a monthly subscription is 499 rupees. And wait, yes, I will be unboxing the Jewel Grabox. And the price for Jewel Grabox is 499 rupees. I will be mentioning the price and the buying link in the description box so you guys can see that, and if you want to order it, you can use the buying link for that. Now, as the name says, Jewel Grabox, of course, this is a jewelry subscription box. In 499 rupees, you will get amazing, beautiful, good quality jewelry. So let's just quickly see what all it has. So the first thing is the info card. This is the info card. It says August Jewel Grabox, and on the second leaf I have all the detail, or you can say name of the jewelry with the prices. So let's start with the first one, and the first one is the oxidized silver neck piece, and this looks so beautiful. I just love it. Just have a look. Wow, so it's very rich and it's looking really amazing. So let me just wear this and show you the look. This is how it looks. And I have not really removed the tag. Okay, leave that. I will remove it later. So this is how it looks, and you can just see it's looking beautiful and it's very rich. Actually, the pattern is quite nice. So yes, I love it. The price for this one is 400 rupees. And yes, I'm super happy with this one. First one, yes, I like it. Now, moving on to the next one. The next one is tassel earrings, and these looks really pretty and very colorful. So this is the look. Of course, I have to remove these, and then only wow. So this is the look. You can just see, wow. Let me just wear this and show you the look. I will just wear one, and let me just remove the neck piece as well. So this is the look. You can just see it's like multi-color thing. Red, dark blue, and black is the color. So of course they are looking very pretty, very colorful. And the price for this one, wait, I have to check the price. The price for these are 300 rupees. And of course the look is quite rich and the quality is quite good of this. So I'm super happy with this one. I really like it. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is oxidized thread earrings. And the price for these are 300 rupees. And these are again look really rich. I mean, very big earrings with tassel, and the quality you can just see it's quite nice. Let me just wear one. They're gonna look stunning on Indian, and on Western, yes, I can actually try these on Western because I don't wear Indian. So what I do is I try to wear all the heavy earrings with my Western dresses or tops. Wow, it's looking really nice actually. So it's you can just see this is looking quite nice with my top. It's not really looking off or something like that. It's looking nice. So yes, I can actually wear this on Western. This is the look. So super happy with this one. They are super heavy. I mean, not really weight-wise heavy, but they gives a impression of heavy earrings, and they look beautiful. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is a bandana, and this is the bandana. So nowadays you must have seen these bandanas are really in fashion. So let me just wear it and show you, though I don't really wear bandana because I have this broad forehead, so I actually don't really prefer it. But let me try this and show you. The color is one of my favorite, yellow. I really like yellow color. So yeah, let me just try this. So you can see this is the look. So it has this design, so overlapping kind of a design, which will be visible if you wear it properly. I have just tried it like this. The price for this one is 150 rupees. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is golden black earrings, and the price for that is 250 rupees. Before that, let me just remove it because I don't wear it, so I'm not really comfortable with it. Okay, so the price for the next earring is 250 rupees for golden black earrings, and this is the look. Let me just try on one for you. don't worry about the looks because as usual I will be clicking some pictures and attaching the lookbook in the end. So yes, stay connected for that. And this is the look for the golden and black earring. You can just see they're looking nice. They are perfect for party and the color is golden black, so of course very safe again. And yes, quite nice. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is metal wire earrings. Metal wire, wow. So this is the look. Okay, so you can just see the metal wire look here. Just wear this and show you the look. The price for these are, I guess, 150 rupees, right? 150 is the price, and they are super light, super light. So this is the look, and they are quite safe. You can just wear them daily. Very lightweighted, very safe. They will go with everything. They will not really bother you because they are super light. So I think daily wear are perfect. Now I'm left with the last one, and the last one is mirror jhumki earrings, and the price for these are again 150 rupees, and this is the look. So I have many mirror earrings. So yes, I love the mirror earring concept, and I don't think I can have like enough mirror earrings. This one, let me just try and see how this looks. Not bad. This is looking nice. So this is the look. And this is the last jewelry which I've got in my jewel grab box for August month. The total worth of all the jewelry is 1700 and you're just paying 499 rupees. So I think it's a good deal. And if I have to tell you my favorites, of course, the first beautiful neck piece. This is actually very beautiful. You can just see the look. It's super rich. The quality and everything of this is super nice. So first one is this. Then I like the bandana as well, though I don't really wear it. But now I have one, so I think I will try to wear this. Then I like the tassel earring. Then these thread earrings were super beautiful. I love it. And I think all of the earrings are also nice. So yes, overall, I'm super happy with my jewel grab box, like always, because jewel grab box never ever disappoints us. So which is actually very good thing. So thank you, grab box, for that. And that's all what I have received. I will be attaching a lookbook in the end, so stay connected for that. Now that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.